do if I was your woman, the things I do to you. But I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl.
Alright guys, so this is what the hair looks like up close. So I do have the Diva ring light on, and it is in the daytime when I'm filming this, so you get to see the real color. So it's kind of like a cherry coke type of color, guys. It's really nice and bright in the sun, so definitely color payoff is very nice. I did use 3 colors as you guys seen in the beginning of the video. I left the processing on for about like an hour. So basically what I wanted to do is just get a nice kind of bumped feathered bang and just like a nice like bob or buff type of look. So what I did was just run my straightener through it just to get a nice like buff look. Now this is what it looks like, guys. I'm just going to do some little finishing touches to it. I am going to go in with my favorite Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray. I'm going to basically just, you know, kind of get the perimeter nice and kind of smooth with it. And I'm also going to actually spray the entire perimeter of the wig because I did go ahead and bump curl it, so I want it to be nice and in place just to give me that kind of nice fresh wrap look. So overall, this hairstyle, guys, is just everything. Just continue to watch the video. Happy holidays, and I hope you enjoyed so far. So in this section right here, I'm basically just using my curling iron just to kind of really make the perimeter smooth. I really didn't want to go too crazy with baby hair, but I wanted to have like a smooth perimeter just so that I had more of a natural transition. So that's what I'm doing right here. Also, guys, I feel like this wig cap construction was great. I did not use an adjustable strap. I just used a hook. So this unit fit me pretty well. So this is what the unit looks like right now, guys, with all like really fixing it. And it looks really good straight off the mannequin head, just like this, guys, and I think it looks super fabulous. What do you think? So this is a finished look of this super pretty unit right here, guys. So this is Omgqueen's affordable silky straight bob lace wig. This is a glueless wig. It's virgin Brazilian hair. Now the number on this one is BMW 29. Now I know there's this huge controversy going around with all these kind of simple affordable bobs, guys. Now this unit is listed as $89, guys. It's 180% density, 8 inches long. Now this unit, to me, it says it came in a middle part style, but it almost came like an off curve part. So I kind of went along and turned this into a side part, which kind of gave me like a little bit of a layer, which kind of gave me a whole entire kind of like super wrap type of vibe, which I really like. I did go ahead and bump the bang right here to give me more of a nice layered look. You guys can kind of see the full effect. So I do think that this wig is super cute, guys. Now the color, you guys can see the color. Love the color so much, guys. So if you watch my channel for a long time and you kind of follow me for a while, I like to do like burgundy colors for the season, for especially the fall and the winter. So I decided to go ahead and color this because I want to test it out on this $89 unit. Now it did say it was virgin hair, so I went along and tried to test it out. So this is virgin hair, guys. This hair dye that I use is made for dark hair only, so you can go ahead and put this on without bleaching it and you will get a really nice burgundy color like I did. So I will go ahead and turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. Overall, guys, the unit and the color and everything is absolutely gorgeous. If you're trying to start something for the new year and want to step in with a different look, I definitely think this color is definitely good for all skin tones. And all in all, the bob itself is very sassy, very sultry, and very a vibe, like is a vibe or a mood. So I think it came out really nice. Now I'll list the 3 colors up here that I did. I used those 3 colors. They're like different levels of red. And I also did use 40 volume developer, all 3 colors combined together to get this color. I did leave the processing or the color on for about like an hour, just to let it kind of really fully get into the cuticles. And you guys can see it really did penetrate the cuticles really, really nicely, guys. And the wig looks super healthy after washing and conditioning and all that. So I'm definitely gonna say coloring did not hurt this hair at all. It's super nice. So the next thing I want to try to step out and do with these kind of inexpensive like $89 wigs is maybe bleaching, adding highlights to kind of see how strong the cuticle is. With these $89 wigs, it's pretty much a steal. So if you like bobs and like sassy kind of looks, these can definitely work for you because they're inexpensive. This is a glueless cap, guys. This unit is not glued down. You can go ahead and lift it up and place it back down, which is another reason why I really like this unit, guys. Alright guys, so that basically wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I will leave all the information down below per usual, guys. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.